Hey everyone, the Roborock Q7 TF Plus is the latest addition to Roborock's lineup of robot vacuums, designed as an affordable entry-level option for those who still want smart cleaning performance without breaking the bank. It recently launched across several European countries and brings together many of the brand's proven technologies in a simpler, more cost-effective package. At its core, Q7 TF Plus combines vacuuming and mopping capabilities with app-based control and an auto-empty docking station, features that were once reserved for higher-end models. Device is compact and lightweight, making it easy to navigate around furniture and into tighter spaces. Despite being positioned as a budget model, it boasts impressive power with suction reaching up to 10,000 pascals, a notable figure that allows it to handle both hard floors and carpets effectively. Its carpet detection system automatically increases suction when transitioning to rugs, ensuring a deeper clean where it's most needed. The cleaning system features a dual anti-tangle brush that minimizes the buildup of hair, a frequent issue for robot vacuums, and a side brush that sweeps dirt from edges into the robot's path. For mopping, it uses a simple cloth pad that provides light maintenance cleaning rather than a deep scrub, which is expected given the model's price range. Navigation is handled by Roborock's reliable PreciSense LiDAR system, which maps out rooms efficiently and avoids common household obstacles. Sensors are also included to prevent the robot from falling off stairs or bumping into furniture. The 3,200 mAh lithium-ion battery delivers a reasonable runtime for medium-sized homes and automatically recharges at the dock when power runs low. The dock not only recharges the robot, but also empties its dustbin into a sealed bag, reducing the need for frequent manual maintenance. Users can control the Q7 TF Plus through the Roborock app, where they can start or stop cleaning cycles, set schedules, adjust suction strength, or manage virtual maps of their home. The app's mapping functions allow users to name rooms, create no-go zones, and tailor cleaning routines to specific areas, which adds a nice level of convenience for a vacuum in this price class. In terms of design, the robot measures 325 millimeters in diameter and 99 millimeters in height, while the auto-empty base station is compact at 212 by 259 by 178 millimeters, making it easy to fit in most corners or under shelves. It blends well with most home interiors and retains the sleek, minimalist aesthetic typical of Roborock devices. The Q7 TF Plus is available in Germany for 249 euros, down from its standard 299 euros retail price through major retailers such as Alternate, MediaMarkt, and Coolblue. The offer is valid until November 13th. In the Netherlands and Belgium, Coolblue sells the same model for 279 euros. Overall, the Roborock Q7 TF Plus strikes an appealing balance between affordability, cleaning performance, and modern convenience. It's not the most advanced option in the brand's lineup, but for those seeking a reliable robot vacuum with solid suction, decent navigation, and the bonus of auto-emptying functionality, it stands out as one of the better value options currently available in Europe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.